This is a Nemo Moonlite Camp chair. We just picked this one up and took it out on our trip with us. We're actually out by the lake. Scored a nice spot here. But anyways, this chair comes in at 2 pounds. It's actually 1 pound, 14 ounces, the chair by itself, but it does come with this pretty robust bag, and it's the Moonlite Reclining chair. So this bag probably weighs 3 or 4 ounces because the set weighs 2 pounds, 2 ounces. So it is a heavyweight chair. But before you say no, check out some of the features on the chair. So the biggest thing about this chair that we like so far is just when you sit in it, it just is there. There's no really crazy wobbling around like a lot of the other chairs have. Another thing to note is the entire seat is made from this mesh. So it'll be really cool into the summertime, but it's also going to be really cold in the winter time. So like this morning, I threw a sit pad on there to keep my butt warm. But it also provides really good ventilation because I hate sweating in chairs in the middle of summer. So that's nice. One of the things that makes this chair unique is it has these 2 adjustable straps on it. Cool part is they're adjustable just on the fly. So right now it's in the very upright position. So this is the position I used like when I was cooking breakfast because you sit really upright. All you got to do is to recline, grab these and just pull them back. And that's all the way reclined. And you can chill like that. And it's super easy to adjust. You just grab them, pull them back. So you want to just move a little bit up, you can, or just want to move a little bit back, you can. That part is actually pretty unique. I've never seen any other chairs do that. I think to give you a good comparison, we'll kind of show you what it looks like compared to the Helinox Chair Zero. And you can see in the reclined position, it's about the same as what the Helinox is. I think the big difference you'll see is when I sit in it. So this is me sitting in the Moonlite chair. You can see how much it wobbles around. In the Helinox chair, you can see how much it moves around. Now, that being said, this chair is half the weight. So if you're going for sheer lightweight, this is the awesome chair to have. But if we flip the chairs over, you can see a pretty big difference. On here, this is plastic, and over here, this is metal. Plus these tubes are much larger, and I think this one will support up to 300 pounds, and this is in the mid 200s. Another important thing that we also discovered like last night is how big these feet are, if you can see them, and especially this one back here. I mean, it's huge compared to this. I was sitting in this chair, and after about 15 minutes I was slowly sinking because these pressure points were just digging right into the ground and soft ground, where these were big enough where they weren't sinking in. So we backpacked in, we brought this chair. Yes, it is heavier, it's 2 pounds. I think if I did it again, if I brought this chair again, I'm gonna ditch this bag because this bag weighs just a lot of weight for no apparent reason. It is actually really nice bag though. So this actually would be a super good chair to throw in your car to always have, say if you're going to the beach or going to the lake, this would be perfect for that. There's a little weird thing about this chair is on every other camp chair is these are just ends of poles and they slide into a pocket in the material. But what they did with this chair is there's these hard plastic, they're not super hard, they're kind of somewhat flexible, but there's a socket in there and then they just snap in like that. And that's on all 4 corners, they did that. And maybe they did that because of the adjustability of it, just to keep it all intact. It is a little harder to take apart, but you are gonna know it's not gonna accidentally pop out on you. We'll show you how it packs up, but on the bag, there's a nice big loop on the top, which is really, looks like it's gonna be pretty strong. There's also these buckles. There's one on the top, and one on the bottom, and you could probably strap it to your backpack or something. Instead of having a little circle at the top to try and jam everything in, they actually have been unzipping down the side. You can kind of side load. It makes it easier to put stuff in. So to take this apart, we pop these out, which they are a little harder to do. And on this one of these legs is fixed into position, and then you have to undo the middle. Since these poles are bigger, it is a little harder to do, just because you got to wrap your hands around all of them. So that wrapped up there. Another bad thing about this mesh, if you're on the ground, it likes to kind of pick up dirt. But I have to say I do like the mesh having a ventilated seat. So you can see it fits right in there. Pretty easy. What I think I'll do in the future though, packs up pretty neatly. I think I will just throw right in my bag just like that on the outside. Price comparison, this does come in on the higher side. It's about the same as the Helinox. If you're looking for a small foldable chair to either throw in your car, throw in your camping setup, or do some light backpacking with, I think this is a really good option. Go check out this video next. You can find us at exploretrekadventure.com, and we'll see you next time.